Today we are unboxing a fan favorite, the IC-7300 Mark II. Now there are a lot of improvements over the original IC-7300, which we will go over later in this video. First, let's take a look at the box. Not much to see here. The main difference is you're going to see that full brand new part number, the IC-7300 Mark II, on pretty much all sides. Main thing to look at here is going to be your UPC sticker on the very top of the box. Make sure you use that information to register for that warranty. Let's get into the box. The first thing we see in the box is going to be your manual and your warranty registration sheet. You have a few things in the middle of the box here. Some power cables, your HM219, and then different adapters. And then last but not least, you have your actual unit here. And let's get this bad boy out of its sleeve. There it is in all its beauty. IC-7300 Mark II. All right, so let's take a look at the accessories that are included a little bit more in detail. First baggie is going to be this guy right here. You're going to have some spare fuses and then your adapters. DC power cables. Nice hefty owner's manual along with your warranty registration sheet. And then your speaker microphone, that is part number HM219. Gonna go ahead and take that out the bag, plug her in. All right, now let's plug in the HM219, shall we? So what you're gonna wanna do is you see sort of like a divot up here. You're gonna line that up with the top of the plug-in. When you do so, that should just pop right in, and then you use this guy to tighten it. Righty tighty, lefty loosey, I do believe. And then cool thing about this guy too is at the very bottom, just so I could show you, there is a little leg here that we can use to prop her up and show you guys the full beauty of the IC-7300 Mark II. The IC-7300 Mark II has enhanced performance for those serious DXers and contesters. Let's take a look at the back of this bad boy. So gonna be three main new components that we have here. First one being the HDMI port, USB Type-C port, and then your antenna receiver connectors. Thank you so much for watching the unboxing of the brand new IC-7300 Mark II. See you on the air. IC-7300 Mark II. There are a lot of changes that do we need to do the action of like and dumping? So these ones were specifically one of, what's the adapter for? I don't remember what they were. Is the mic is only front? Is it at the top?
Right?
Righties to my right.